This viral hot honey beef bowl has been trending all up and down my YouTube feed. If you've been following this channel, you know that I'm all about simple meals that taste good, so I just had to give this one a try. So from what I've been seeing online, you need sweet potatoes, avocados, ground beef, and taco seasoning. I used 2 sweet potatoes. I seasoned them with olive oil, cinnamon, salt, pepper, and some brown sugar. Mixing well to combine. I roasted these on 375 for about 40 minutes. While the potatoes are in the oven, I am going to prepare the ground beef and cut up my avocado, but I'll turn the potatoes halfway through cooking time to ensure that they roast evenly. So I've been seeing a lot of other cooking channels use 100% grass-fed beef. I decided to give it a try, but listen, unless this is on sale next time, I probably won't buy it because I felt like it was a little expensive. This was $12 for a pound of ground beef. But I don't eat ground beef that often, so I splurged a little bit just for this recipe. Once the ground beef is completely cooked, I'm adding in some taco seasoning, a little bit of water, and then I will prepare the avocados. I've seen variations of this recipe online, and for the cheese in the original video, they added cottage cheese, but I decided to go with cheddar cheese. Okay, so fingers crossed that this comes out good. This was so easy to make. It looks good, it smells good. Can't tolerate too much spice. So I just went to Publix and asked them for just a small container of their hot honey sauce. I did put a little bit on this already. I'm gonna add a little bit more. All right, let's try it. I'm gonna mix everything together. So if you do decide to make this, you're gonna get the Mike's Hot Honey Sauce. I didn't want to buy it simply because I don't eat a lot of spicy things, but all the recipes online, I saw a lot of people using Mike's Hot Honey Sauce. That is really good. You definitely need a sauce. And I think this sweet honey sauce is perfect for this. So this is spicy, sweet, savory. You can play around with it, maybe add some rice if you want. Probably add a little bit of lettuce, maybe some tomatoes. I like it simply just like this. It does have a kick to it from that sweet honey sauce. Listen, I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10. It was quick. All right, you guys, so if you like this type of content and you would like for me to review a viral recipe, leave me a comment and let me know. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye.